Welcome dear students, welcome once again to online video lectures. Today we will continue with the lifestyle of the South India. Let us first see what are the states that are included in the South India. The states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry are included in the South India. So dear students, the states which are included in the South India are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and the Union Territory of Puducherry. Southern India is a peninsula and each state has sea coast. So there is a special case in the location of Southern India. It's in a peninsular shape. Peninsula means land which is covered by water on the three sides. So here all the states of South India have their sea coast. Let us talk about the food habits of Southern India. In southern states, rice and fish form the main diet. Idli, dosa, mendu vada, etc. along with the coconut chutney are famous rice preparation of South India. So these dishes which are specially made by rice are very famous here. They are used as a staple diet. All these people will take this diet along with the coconut chutney. They also eat rasam, which is like a dal in their meal. Coconut leaves are used as dish in Kerala. These peoples give a lot of respect to coconut leaves. They use it as a dish and they prefer to eat on the coconut leaves, which are also which is a healthy practice. We should also develop these type of habits of eating on the coconut leaves if possible, because in South India there are a lot of coconut leaves, but in northern India and other eastern and western India these things are not possible. Let us talk about the dressing sense. It is very hot and humid in South India, so people will especially wear light colored clothes which are very loose. Lungi, pehran, khas on the shoulder and occasionally a headgear are the common attire, means common dressing sense of these peoples. Women will wear sari in southern style. They use petticoat and blouse. Keralites wear lungi or short dhoti. Ladies put on flower strips, which is known as veni in the local language. It's a flower strip which is used to tie their hairs on the head. So we know that the southern part of India falls in the hot and humid weather conditions. So these peoples wear especially white colored clothes which are very loose, and the examples are lungi, pehran, khas, which they keep it on the shoulders, and women will wear sari, petticoat and blouse. And special thing is the flower strip which the ladies put on their head. Let us talk about the dwelling sense. The people which are living in the South India make their houses with the bricks and cement. Modern housing is also seen in the Bangalore and Chennai. These are the main cities of South India. The people which are living on the sea coast, they use coconut leaves in their huts. They have a daily routine of making rangoli in front of their houses in South India. So this is the dwelling sense of people living in the South India. The main cities, you have modern housing technology like Bengaluru and Chennai, and the people make their houses using bricks, cement, coconut leaves, etc. The language spoken in South India belong to the Dravidian family of the language. Kannada is spoken in Karnataka. The other language are Telugu, which is spoken in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Tamil is spoken in Tamil Nadu and Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. So don't get confused, dear students. You should know that Kannada is spoken in Karnataka and Telugu is spoken in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Tamil for Tamil Nadu and Malayalam for Kerala. Let us talk about the festivals and holidays that are being celebrated and observed in the South India. Andhra Pradesh is very famous of its Kuchipudi dance. Other than Kuchipudi dance, they also celebrate Shivratri, Makar Sankranti and Baisakhi festivals. Mysore in Karnataka celebrates Dashera, Eid and Navratri festivals. Kathakali is a well-known dance form of Kerala. You can see the picture of Kathakali is given just right to this paragraph. I will zoom it for you and you can see it. This is a dance form which is very famous. Its name is Kathakali. Okay. Onam, Christmas, Eid, Shivratri are the other major festivals that are celebrated in Kerala. Bharatnatyam is very famous dance style of Tamil Nadu and Pongal is its main festival. So we saw that Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Bharatnatyam. These three dances are most peculiar and seen in the dance forms of South India. So the dance forms in South India are more famous than the dance form of other regions of the country. So we can say the peoples living in the South India are more festival sensitive. Now, eastern part of India is still remaining. We will continue this in the next video. Let us revise the South India in very short. The states included here are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and one union territory of Puducherry. Rice is the main food. It is the main diet, rice and fish. They make idli, dosa, mendi vada using rice and coconut chutney, that is very famous rice preparation. They use coconut extracts and make this chutney to eat it along with the rice preparations. Rasam is also a favorite dish which is prepared using the dal. They use coconut leaves as a dish in Kerala. The dwelling place falls under the hot and humid conditions, so people will wear loose clothes like lungi, pehran, case on their shoulders. Women use sari, petticoat and blouse. Keralites wear lungi or short dhoti and the ladies will put on flower strip, which is also known as veni in the local language. People make their houses using bricks and cement, and near the sea coast they use coconut leaves to make their huts. Preparing rangoli in front of their house is a daily routine of South Indian people. The cities like Bengaluru and Chennai are well developed and they have been equipped with modern housing technologies. If we talk about the language, we find that the language of South India belongs to Dravid family. So that Kannada is spoken in Karnataka, Telugu in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Tamil in Tamil Nadu and Malayalam in Kerala. Major festivals are Shivratri, Makar Sankranti, Baisakhi, Onam, Christmas, Eid, Shivratri, Dashehra, etc. Other than these festivals, famous dance style are Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali from Karnataka, Kathakali is from Kerala and Bharatnatyam is from Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the main festival of Tamil Nadu. So dear students, all these points you should keep it in mind and you have to write it in your examinations whenever you are asked to write. So that's all for today. We'll meet again with the objects which are mentioned in the lifestyle of the Eastern people so that we may complete the chapters. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning.